Hey there, memory masters. Are you tired of constantly forgetting important information? Well, fear not. In this video, we're going to share 5 awesome tips on how to memorize anything effectively. So, grab a pen and paper, and let's get started. Tip 1. Understand the information. The first tip for effective memorization is to understand the information that you want to memorize. This means more than just reading the information once. To really understand something, you need to read it multiple times, break it down into smaller chunks, and explain it in your own words. So, take your time and make sure you really get it. Tip 2. Use repetition. The second tip is to use repetition. Yes, we know it sounds boring, but repetition is key to reinforcing information in your brain. You can achieve this by repeating the information out loud, writing it down, or using flashcards. The more you repeat the information, the easier it will be to remember. Tip 3. Create associations. The third tip is to create associations. This is where things get fun. Creating associations is a powerful technique for memorization. You can achieve this by linking the information that you want to memorize with something that you already know. For example, if you want to remember a list of items, you can associate each item with a particular image or sound. It may sound silly, but it really works. Tip 4. Use visualization techniques. The fourth tip is to use visualization techniques. Our brains are better at remembering images than words, so visualization is an effective way to remember information. You can achieve this by creating mental images of the information that you want to memorize. For example, if you want to remember a person's name, you can create an image of that person in your mind. Tip 5. Test yourself. The fifth and final tip is to test yourself. This is where you put all your hard work to the test. Testing yourself is a great way to determine whether you have successfully memorized the information. You can achieve this by using practice questions, taking quizzes, or reciting the information from memory. This not only helps you remember the information better, but it also boosts your confidence. So there you have it, folks. 5 awesome tips on how to memorize anything effectively. Just remember to understand the information, use repetition, create associations, use visualization techniques, and test yourself. With a little bit of practice, you'll be a memory master in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.